Went to my buddy's house. He got him a nice little rig here. Gonna try to work it. He paid a couple $100 for it. A couple things wrong with it. Starts up, runs real good. Got a new little kit for it. Did it have any of that Loctite?
No, that's super glue, automotive stuff.
Got a nice brand new rim and hub for it because the old one was messed up. Got new brake line for it. What else is in there? Chain, sprocket. No, not chain. Brake rotor and sprocket. Axle. And some more hardware. It's a Thump Star. Is that what it was? A 125. Little thing. So we'll update you after we get a couple things done with it. Yeah. Added some Pro Taper grips here. I tried to get them for my four-wheeler, but I got the dirt bike versions. Why? Because I didn't look, and I'm just not paying attention. So I go ahead and gave them to him. These things, man, these are where it's at. I like the way these feel. But took his old grips off and put these on. And we'll see how it goes once we get everything back together.
20 extra horsepower.
20 extra for these right here. 20. That's what I'm talking about. Look at that cool tire rim. Just put the sprocket on the other side, screwed it in, and putting the brake caliper on this side. There's tapers on some of these, so they have to go down where the taper is. The bolts.
Put that on here.
Oh, I wish I could. Oh, I wasn't even recording.
The whole time?
Yeah. Got these ones in now. I guess I wasn't recording that whole time. Whoops.
What's going on his back? That's stupid. Does it tie some wires up?
Why?
Hold this all up.
You got more zip ties?
Yeah, somewhere over there. You gonna take me?
Yeah. You're like, stupid.
What's stupid?
That's what you just said.
I don't know what I'm talking about.
Corinne.
Oh.
You want white ones, yellow ones, or green ones?
Black ones. Or I'll leave them out at the house.
I don't see any black ones.
So they're at the house.
No, here they are right here. Where'd you get this little kit?
A while back.
Where?
Walmart. Well, I can just get like a little toggle switch and wire back here somewhere.
I don't know what I'm recording, dude. I'm just not even paying attention. Then I go get crushed by the seat, is it?
I don't know.
I would hang it lower. Yeah, and hang it like this.
Where's the little wires at? Right there. So I zip tied that up with these. I don't know if it's going to hold or not. I'll have to watch it. Put this up there. Keep that out. It's better than what it was. The wires don't matter. That's got to be better than what it was.
Putting a sock on that on it?
Then there's nothing on it.
Yeah, I'm sure it's better. Okay, so we're filing that part right there because it's all aftermarket goodness here. And it can't slide up and down because it's an aftermarket axle. It's too big. So we're filing it down a little bit. Eventually he's just going to have to get a new A-arm. Or what is this called? Swing arm.
Swing arm.
That's it, dude. That's all you need.
No, I need this.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Don't do too much.
I'm on the top.
Don't do too much. I would stop right there.
Tighten it. I needed the slide the whole way.
All the way up?
It's supposed to move all the way.
Well, what are these things for?
To keep the tire straight.
Oh. You had to make it slide all the way up and down?
No, but I wanted to slide more than that.
Oh.
It ain't ever gonna fit, dude.
What?
New dribble tool.
Well, you don't have it. Try that, dude.
There ain't no way.
That's like all you need, space-wise.
I need way more than that.
You think?
Yeah. You know what? Hold the bike down.
Why are you up there? You need to be where it's... Yeah. I don't know if that's working.
Huh?
I don't know if that's working. I feel like you're just getting the edges. I mean, there's a lot more room there. If you had that same amount of room on the other side, I bet you could fit the chain.
You think?
I don't know.
I follow it. Golly.
And really, we probably should start on this side. Because this is the side that needs to be closer.
Yeah, but it's gonna pick real cock out. Look at my house, good damn dribble tool.
Okay. He's missing a chain slider right here, as you can tell. The chain's wore into this aluminum a little bit. Just a little bit, though. Not too bad. Oh! She's going... Oh, gosh, I almost broke into the seat. She's going to fly good. Alright, hey, he put the old chain in some oil. See if it would, it was pretty rusty, and we didn't have time to buy a new one, so he's let this sit in here.
About a week.
About a week?
Yeah.
And look at that, nice and greasy. Just like my booty.
There's some blue rags in there.
Where?
One.
A dirty one. That's a dang good blue rag right there, son. Got everything put back on this sucker. It was a pain in the arse. But it's on. Tire's a little wonky.
That's bad.
The tire?
Yeah.
Oh, she's good. She'll ride. Can't wait. See this sucker fire up. Maybe this time I actually get it the first time on video. After everything's good and done and up in the thing. Man, I really like these grips right here. Making me a little, ooh, nice and grippy, knobby, just like what I like. Chain won't fit on the new sprocket. So we're putting the old sprocket back on and hopefully it fits. I think the chain is not the same ratio.
Definitely isn't.
With the new sprocket. So the
that one.
old sprocket don't look too bad. We're going to throw this sucker on and hopefully we can be good to go right in the hole.
Where's that spot? Where's the socket that you had a while ago?
Right on the ground over here or something. I don't know. Is it? I'm not good with keeping up with stuff. That's why I always have to put it back. Shame. It's so funny if the bolt pattern is the same.
It's the same.
No super glue?
I can still feel it.
That's all you need is two.
That's all you need.
Now that we got everything figured out, it should go right back on, no problem. Now that we got the smorgasbord of s'mores, you know. We got that whole thing figured out in the can hole.
That's all jacked up. Alright, dude, what's the best way to do this now?
Put the brake pad on.
Oh, right there. Right there.
Make sure it's hooked on there. You need to put the little short thing in.
Hold the wheel up.
You need to put the little short thing in.
Yeah.
The short spacer.
Golly, how did this wall go?
We put the I don't remember. Here, hold on.
Alright.
Put this camera down. Like that. Let me put this down, dude. This is not working for me.
I know, it's...
Okay, so... Oh, I never stopped recording. That's all in. Now we're just going to get this sucker on.
You ready?
Yep. Smooth as buttered pecans.
Butter what?
Pecans. It's a popcorn. Buttered popcorn, pecan. You ever had that?
No.
Why not? You want me to pecan in your mouth?
Watch out.
Now we're gonna hopefully work this chain on here. It's gonna be too short.
Well, look at it.
Huh? It's too short, isn't it?
Yeah.
By barely, dude. There's no way to slide it in and out of that.
There's a lot of sliding in and out of it.
Hell.
A lot of people. Put your sock on that.
Oh my god, dude. Then you won't be able to tighten it. Who's that? I know how to do it.
Oh.
Lift the bike up and drop it on the tire.
That ain't work.
Why?
Sit on the Dremel tool.
Let's go get it.
It's so close.
That's how it always is, dude. That's what teaches you patience.
I don't have very good patience.
I know.
This has to get over tonight.
Finally got the chain on after several hours. Like 4 hours, it feels like. And it's not on there very well. We need to tighten the axle still. Forgot about that.
So
Just drop that in there. Don't break it.
put that in there.
Why?
So I can see you.
Turn it around, you can see. Yes, speed on it. Is there a tool made for this?
I don't know. I've always seen people use needle nose.
Oh my gosh, dude. What are you gonna do with that brake?
Golly.
Is this crooked?
Sitting there.
We need to tighten the axle.
Yeah, I know. That's what I'm trying to get straight. So I got that thing for kind of.
What?
What's this for? That?
Yeah.
Damn, where are my tools at?
Tiny.
What size is the other one?
17.
This one. Alright.
That is. Is it wobbly?
Yeah, it's gonna be wobbly because of the damn piece of shit. Let's put this right here, like somewhere. Zip tie this mother up.
Zip tied up?
We'll have to make some. Need some big ones.
I got one for you. 3 inches.
That's it?
That's it.
Damn, Bobby. Me.
You don't want me to.
Are you still videotaping?
Oh my god. The mean machine's about to start. Let's hear. You look so fucking huge on that, dude.
I don't want to touch wood. Do that shit again.
Sounds mean. I need to go to bed. I gotta get up at 4. It's pretty quick for a little 125.